I hope you guys are doing well and welcome back to my channel. So in today's vlog, it's going to be all about the informative stuff. For example, let's say if you're getting accepted in some college in USA, Canada, UK, Germany, anywhere in the Europe, I've got an amazing offer, and it's going to be the best, most affordable education loan currently available in India. I come from a middle class family and I understand how expensive it is for a middle class person to go to another country and afford the education there. Especially, let's say if you got into a private university. So private university charge a lot of tuition fees, right? And obviously you need to take an education loan at some point. So this video is going to be to all of you who are interested to take the education loan, but the gist of this is going to be you're going to get a loan which is at the lowest interest rate and at the best bank. For example, I'm studying in a public university, it's called as LMU, and we don't have tuition fees at all, but we still have to pay a small amount of semester fee. Also, if you want to come from India to Germany, we still have to make a blocked account. So this blocked account is where we are going to put all of our money. The money which we put in blocked account is not like a little money, right? It's going to be like 10 lakhs, 12 lakhs, and it is compulsory for every student who is coming from India to Germany. So it's going to be an amazing vlog, and without wasting any further time, let's start. So the company I found and I'm going to talk to you about today is going to be Gyandhan, and this company acts as a mediator between you and the bank. So what it does is it acts as a negotiator. It goes to the bank, it tells the bank to give you an education loan at the most affordable price and at the lowest interest rate. So you don't have to do anything, you just have to send them documents and you have to send your details to them, and after that they'll do all the work. And Gyandhan has a tie-up with more than 3,400 plus universities, and they have approved over 5,000 plus loans for students, and now they have sanctioned up to 5,000 crore plus loan in total. And isn't it amazing? I found this company online and it's really good company. So the next question you should ask is Gyandhan like authentic? Is it safe? Is it not? What's going on here? So yes, the company is authentic. Why? I'll show you this picture. So you can see here the Gyandhan has tie-up with many of the big banking partners in India, including the big banks like the SBI, Axis, Union Bank, HDFC, IDBI Bank, etc. So almost all banks. So what they do is they choose the best bank for you. They go there, they negotiate, they choose a very low interest rate, and then they talk with you about the interest rate. So they are going to choose the bank for you, and they're going to choose the best interest rate for you, the lowest interest rate. Isn't it amazing? Now let's talk about some advantages of Gyandhan company, okay? And the best thing is everything is absolutely free of cost. Isn't that amazing? Exactly, it is free of cost and there are no hidden charges, because some of the agents will say like, okay, so you need to pay something to the bank, or oh fine, but actually you need to pay some money or for the documentation part because we are taking the documents. It is nothing like that. So it's going to be free of cost and you don't have to give any money to this Gyandhan company, and it's absolutely, there is no hidden charges. So it is that good. You can go through their website, you can obviously stay informed with their up-to-dates. The one more advantage is that it is quick and it is hassle free. So it saves you time, it saves you energy. And one more advantage which I loved about Gyandhan is that they provide you with a counselor. Isn't that cool? So for example, let's say if you have to check if you're eligible for loan or not. So they provide you a loan counselor. You have to talk with them about the documentation, about the details. If you have any questions, any doubts regarding anything, you get cleared by the counselor. So they provide you with this service, and this is one of the biggest advantage which this company has. And this is an authentic company. It is not like other companies which gives you this misinformation or false information. No, this is a proper, authentic and safe company where you can get all of your loan sanctioned on time, as well as it has partnered up with universities, with good banks, and everything is free of cost. No hidden charges. You can be at ease and then you can apply to this Gyandhan and go through their counseling session. So one of the major advantage I also liked about Gyandhan is, let's say you have to go to the bank continuously to give these documents. You give one document to the bank and the bank will be like, oh, we need, oh, I think more this document and I think this document. The next time you go to the bank and you are submitting this documents, and then the bank will be like, oh, I think we need one more document. So you're just like going to the bank 3-4 times to just get the loan approved. So the best thing about Gyandhan, one more thing, is that they are doing this all online. So they are giving all of this online process. For example, you have to send all the documents online and only you have to go to the bank for the signature stuff. But if you are living in these cities here, then you don't need to go anywhere. An agent will be appointed by the Gyandhan company, which will come to you to get the signature. And once you have signed it, the agent will take all the documents to the bank and then submit it and get your loan approved. Isn't that cool? So how to contact this Gyandhan company and how it actually works. So I'm going to show you a picture here. So here you can see that you have to check first if you're eligible for the loan or not. And I'm going to attach a link in the description. And this link will basically navigate you directly to the Gyandhan's website, and there you can check if you're eligible for the loan or not. And it's very easy. You click on the link, you go and fill out the form, and after some time they'll tell you like if you're eligible to get a loan or not. And the next thing is you get a free counseling session which is appointed by the Gyandhan. It will get you all of your doubts cleared, you get your documents sorted. Then the next step is to upload the documents or fill out the form. Then the Gyandhan will go to the bank, it will negotiate, it will choose the best bank for you out there, and then it will negotiate to get you the lowest interest rate possible. And this company has the guaranteed lowest interest rate. And let's say if you got a scholarship, then don't worry, this company has still got you covered. They'll still discuss with you if you have got a scholarship and how you are going to manage the finances with loan as well. So don't worry, they have got everything covered. The next question you should ask is, why should I even check this student eligibility? Am I not eligible to get this loan or something? So this eligibility thing actually helps you to determine whether you qualify to get a student education loan or not. It also helps you to find the maximum loan amount you can get based on your profile. And Gyandhan's loan eligibility, the AI tools basically helps you to make this process hassle-free, quick, easy and transparent. So even if you have decided some another agent to get your loan sanctioned, please do check your eligibility. What if you find out that, oh, I can actually get a student loan at a very lowest price and lowest interest rate and it is the most affordable one? What if you find that out? So even if you have another agent sorted out, please go and check if you are eligible to get the most affordable loan. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. This was a very informative video, and I do hope that you guys go to the Gyandhan's website, check if you're eligible for the education loan or not, and get financially sorted. So once if you're financially sorted, everything is fine, right? You can manage everything beside the finances. You also have the visa thing, you have the blocked account thing going on, you have the health insurance. There's so many things you already need to take care of. It's better to get your finances sorted, so at least one part is done. I hope you like this video, and more vlogs are going to come up. And if you follow on my Insta page, that's Vita Scientifica, you guys know that I am already done with my defense. So I'm going for a quick vacation. I'll tell you guys when and where. This vacation is going to be really amazing. And I hope you guys are doing great. So see you in the next vlog. Bye bye. Take care.